everyone! I'm Endaya and welcome to my YouTube channel. Every yoga is bringing everyday yoga for everybody. In my channel, what you'll see are videos of different classes for different levels. There are also classes that are targeted for specific needs. And there are also videos where I will break down yoga poses and talk about and describe what muscular efforts or actions needed to hold the shape or to transition through the pose. As for my teaching style, I learned through Vinyasa Yoga, but I now incorporate functional movements in my classes. I am a registered 500-hour yoga teacher with Yoga Alliance, and I am also trained to teach prenatal and postnatal yoga. So I'm happy to share my practice with you, and I hope you enjoy the videos and get what you need from them. So feel free to drop me a comment or send me a message through my Facebook page. Namaste.